Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's see how we can draw Lewis dot diagram for compounds right here. So we have hydrogen and water, CO2. So let's start with the hydrogen. First of all, we have to know how many valence electron hydrogen has. Since it's in group 1, it's only going to have one valence electron, right? And we have two hydrogen. So we are going to have two hydrogen with one valence electron. Now to complete this one, like we know that the noble gas next to hydrogen is helium. So always these atoms try to get the noble gas pattern, right? So it goes like 2, 8, 8, or something like that. So here this one tries to get two electrons. So what do is they share electrons with each other. So if I imagine this gonna share one electron with this hydrogen, and this is going to share one electron, we can put X also to refer they are coming from different hydrogens, right? So here we have now this is in a complete format, right? So this is the Lewis dot diagram, but we have to represent this one like one bond right here. So this is going to be the final Lewis diagram, and this is the diagram for the H2. So let's see how we can draw the diagram for the H2O. It's same like this. First we have to know the valence electron for hydrogen, that is 1. Valence electron for oxygen, it's going to be 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And we have two complete electron and two unshared electron. So what are we going to do? What are they going to do is these two electrons are going to pair with this hydrogen, but we have one more hydrogen right here. So let's draw one more hydrogen, and this one has one electron. So they are going to share electron with each other. And if you imagine these are the electrons that's going to be shared, and that's going to be something like this. So this dot represents the electron come from this oxygen, and cross represents the electron came from this hydrogen. So here another one, and the final Lewis diagram is going to be something like this. H, instead of this bond we put O dash right here, O dash H, and we are going to have 4 electrons right here. And this is the Lewis diagram for the H2O. So let's do the third one right here. We are going to have carbon. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, so it's going to be something like this. And we have 2 oxygen. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And another oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 unshared electron. 2 unshared electron. And this is going to be 2 unpaired electron, right? 2 unpaired electron. So this is going to be paired with this one right here. So if you imagine this one has 4, this one has 2, 2. So how many bonds they are going to form? So actually they share all of these unpaired electrons. That's going to be 2 from oxygen. So let's put 2 right here. Then from carbon 2. So that's going to make us this bond right here, and here carbon is going to share these 2 with this one. So that's going to be like this. So now we have left with So here we have this one, and this is going to be the pattern. And now instead of these bonds we are going to put lines. So this is going to be 2 lines, because 2 bonds carbon, 2 bonds oxygen, and we have 4 electrons around oxygen. And this is the final Lewis structure for this CO2. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.